How to fix can't log into Roblox account. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check the username and password. Make sure the credentials are correct. Or else what you can do is click on the option forget password and try to reset your password. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check server status of Roblox. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now type in is Roblox down. Navigate to the very first one website, Down Detector. Now here you're gonna find the server status of Roblox. If there is any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, check the internet connection. So launch the settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget the network and again rezone it. Next, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next up, what you want to do is completely delete Roblox from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the Roblox app, select remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Roblox and then install it. If none of these solutions work, you can try to log in using the website. For that, launch your preferred browser and head over to the web version of Roblox. Launch your preferred browser and then type in roblox.com. Once you're on this website, now provide your credentials and try to log in. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.